Friends, first of all, I want to say you all of yes, I am saying good morning. Because daily by daily I am making in morning time. Friends, today I will tell you about Nawazuddin Siddiqui. How has he become successful people? Today I am telling about him. Friends, one thing you understand. I am saying you if whatever you want you can do, but for that you should have knowledge about that. Yeah, friends, how is how is he become successful? That is some reason. Nawazuddin Siddiqui, he was belong local area villagers. Remember what I am saying. He was belongs local area peoples, and his face was not clear. His face was not for making actor. His height was not for making actor, but his heart only wanted, I want become actor only. But sometime Nawazuddin Siddiqui used to say in front of someone, all of us used to say him, what are you saying? Do you want to become actor? Yeah, that your mind is not working. Your mind has been mad. In first of all you look in yourself. You look yourself. After that you tell. In like this he was speaking. In someone was speaking. But his heart was very strong. Nawazuddin Siddiqui was very strong. Only his mind was saying that I have to make actor, then actor. Whatever, I will not do anything. Only once matter his mind. Friends, please you can imagine, now he has become successful actor. So in first of all you should have a mission in this world. All things, anything is not impossible. Whatever you want you can do, but for that you have to make insist, boy. If you are not making insist, boy, that you can't do anything in this world. I am not saying that I am successful peoples, but I am trying that I can explain with any peoples. Friends and bro, please you search that what is your capacity, what is your ability. Please you search that. And now already you know, if you did not successful peoples, please you understand that you are not live in this world. you have been death. So friends, how much I had knowledge about this Nawazuddin Siddiqui, I told you what kind of he has become successful. Please, you imagine about that. Only he comes, he comes also poverty lines. His father was not actor, his mother was not actor, his family was not belongs actor, but only his heart wanted, and about his mind only used to say one matter, that in 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, but I have to do that only that work. Without that work, I will not do anything. I have to make actor, then make actor. In like this, his mind was saying. But our mind, we think if you are going to ahead, and especially local area, people will say, if you are doing new things, that someone saw you, that what are you doing? Yeah, like this I wanted that in there are local area, that there are, and you will not get anything in this facility. Please, you do another things, you do business. In like this, shaman will say you. But friends, one matter I want to explain you. In like this, now I am speaking. I know also, and you know also, that all translate is not happening right. Any translate I am speaking mistake. I know also that. But one translate, two translate, five translate, I am speaking right. It is right. Is it right? Is it right? So friends, my mind says, and now you are speaking mistake, but 6 months after, 1 year after, 2 years after, it will take time. In 3 years, your speech will be right. And my ambition, I want to speak fluently. And now I want to see, in there are local area, but I want to prove this in whatever you have capacity, you can do that. So friends, I have to say you, please, you understand that matter, in what kind of is happening. So friends, in whatever you are doing, please, you do that. And friends, I have to say you one matter. And for English speech, daily by daily you have to read, and you have to listen daily by daily, and practice is main things. Please, you don't leave the practice. And whatever you are speaking, this now in 6 months, from 6 months till now, you speak wrong, you speak mistake, but no problem. That you have, but you have not to leave practice. And this is main things. And now you are speaking, no, that I can't speak, and whenever I speak mistake, that I can't learn these things. No. In daily by daily, you have to reading, and you have to repeat the word power. Word power is main things, and you remember phrase. If your phrase will be 500, 1000, that your speech will be right. And now I have no any phrase word meaning power. I have no any phrase word power. But I am repeating. Yeah, and 6 months after, in I can use phrase word power. In France, who peoples will have been living any city area, that peoples for good learning English, because you are getting in some facility, but there are no any facility we are getting, and nevertheless I am trying. And who peoples was living city area, in they get any facility. But friends, yesterday I did not able to make video because my our body was not feel good, so I did not make video yesterday. But today I am thinking, in now is going on 11 minutes, but in this is my last minute is going on, and another video I will make, because yesterday I did not make. So today in I am thinking I will make two video. So friends, my speech means that please, in you don't look your face, and please you work, you hard working. And so friends, my channel name is Yadav English Speech, and please you subscribe my channels.